Hello guys, welcome back once again to Ikesoft Original. And on our previous lesson, we saw that this particular lesson will be in series. And couple of days ago, we learned how to create a new project in Visual Studio. On today's lesson is going to be a hello world, how to create a hello world message to the world, and is going to be in different sections so that you can get to understand very well. So to do that, um, let's add a button by click drag and drop the button here, and then on this button right click and go to properties, and on the test let's call this talk to me, right? Okay. And you can decide to adjust the font size of it. It is kind of cool. You can decide to choose the font color of it, and you are good to go. So that is it, guys. Now we want it to message us something, so let's start it and see how best it works and how we want it to be like, right? Okay. All right, guys, so there you go. This is it. And we want it to tell us something when we click this in the form of message. So let's do that now. Now double click on the button. Now we are going to give out a message, and it has so many ways of giving out a message. And we are going to basically go by the basic level ones. So let's say that message box dot show. What should it show? So what you want to show, then you type inside there. So you bring two inverted commas, so in between the inverted commas you want to tell the world what you want to say. So that will be hello world, right? That will be hello world. So as soon as I click here, you will see that this is the code. So you must make sure you get the codes very well so that you are good to go. That is it. So guys, let's debug it once again. Let's start it once again. Let's see how best it works. So there you go. This is it. Now you can see that we have the hello world here, and it's working kind of well. That is it. So let's try to change the text here. Let's say hello to my new world, and that is kind of good. Okay, so there you go. That works perfect. So guys, let's see another way of giving out a message in another form of codes. So you need to get these codes into your head very well, because it is very important for you to get to know all how this works. So let's say instead of message box dot show, we will just cut everything short. That will be msg box, right? Then inside our two inverted commas, what do we have to say, right? So inside what we want to say hello to my new world, right? Okay. Then at the end of it, we want to be specific on what we want to do, right? So just bring comma there, and then let's say we want to give it a message box style, right? So message box style. All right, guys, so there you go, msg box style, right? So let's say msg box style is what? So we what message box style do you want to use? I want to use informative. So ms box style dot information. Then you bring your two inverted commas, so in between the inverted commas will be the heading of it. So we will say hello world. So basically this is the code right there. This is the code right there. So what it does is, let's test it and see how best it works. Now there you go. Now you can see that hello to my new world. That is it. And then the message box style, that is informative. So the informative gives us this icon right there, right? The informative give us this icon right there. And then we have the hello world. That will be the heading for the project, right? Okay, so that is how it works. And then let's see the third one. The third one is declaring a statement, and that is an advanced one. So you can decide to work along with that. So yeah, let's say um, dim message as um, dim message as strange equals to let's say hello world, right? So you will come here and say that message box dot show, then in between this you will say message, right? So there you go. So as soon as you click on start, it will just start it. Then there you go, it says hello world right there, right there. So that is how it's gonna work. So you have declared it as a statement, and this message box is this message is replacing this hello world right there. So that is how it also works. Thanks guys for enjoying this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any episode of this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.